Hi, I'm Stav from Brooklyn Music Factory. I want to show you a way of visualizing everything that we're singing to help our voices stay stable and steady. I look straight ahead and find something to focus on that is not too high or too low, that is in my eye level. It could be an imaginary dot on the wall or even a piece of furniture. I imagine that my airflow is traveling in a straight line, as if I'm on a very slow train that only goes straight ahead, or as if I'm sending beautiful waves from my mouth to that spot. We can start by letting our air out on shh, as if we're shushing someone. Shh. Or on S, as if we're a snake. When we have 3 notes, as in arpeggios, we can imagine 3 different dots that are going higher and lower according to the pitch. Just take care that your eyes don't go too high or too low, but they stay pretty much in the middle. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. If you're having a hard time controlling the airflow and you feel like you're wasting too much air, or the sound kind of goes all over the place and you want it more focused, you can imagine that you're actually drinking the sound out of the dot on the wall instead of letting it out. You can try this in any exercise and in any song. You are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. You are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words won't bring you down, oh no. So don't you bring me down today.